Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your Google account. This verifies your identity. Once signed in, open the account menu and tap Security. Under Signing into Google, choose Password to start the change flow. You may be asked for your current password or a two-step verification code. Enter these promptly to continue. This step ensures only you make the change, so make sure your recovery email and phone are accessible before proceeding. Once confirmed, you land on the password change form. Enter your new password twice, first the new value, then to confirm, so Google can validate they match. Choose a strong password, at least 12 characters, mix uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols, or use a memorable passphrase. Make sure it's not used elsewhere. If you use a password manager, generate a unique password and let the manager fill both fields to avoid typos. Then click Change Password to save. After changing the password, Google signs you into devices with the new credential. Review recent security activity to ensure no unexpected access. Make sure to update saved passwords in your browser and password manager, and sign out from public or shared devices. If something goes wrong, say you can't sign in, use your recovery email or phone to reset, or follow the account recovery flow. If recovery fails, wait 24-48 hours, and retry with as many accurate details as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.